Welcome back. So guys, this is another curious case I had an opportunity to explore. And I get this lady who is an amazing leader. When I say amazing leader, that means the kind of performance and productivity that she looks forward from her team is exactly what she has given in her entire career. Now, the point that she's getting stuck with that, honey, when I have been an excellent performer and it's not about somebody telling me to do, and I do an amazing work, the profits, the performance, the results, and everything the way it has to be done gets done so beautifully done. And now when I expect the same from my people, I don't know why I get those poker faces. I don't know why they try to shun me, ignore me, leave me the way they are. I am confused because I used to do a great job. And today when I expect the same from my team, they look up to me and they say that I'm being rude, I'm being mean, I'm being crude. And that's the feedback I'm getting. Is it really that's the case I am? What do I do? Where am I wrong? Is it something that you're just finding it familiar in your organization? When it comes to performance and productivity and profits and results and all of that coming up, there are people who really want to give that. But the way they are doing it is not giving the results from the team side. Is the leader wrong or is the team wrong? Or is it like none of them are right or wrong? It's more about doing a deeper exploration. If these are the situations that you are getting stuck with, I think it's time to get into coaching. It's time to either create a coaching culture in your organization so that you get an opportunity to enhance the performance and productivity or your employee morale, or retain the best talent that you intend to be. But maybe the styles and the approaches have changed. The leader's mindset need to be changed. Let's talk about coaching. With these thoughts, this is Honey Gut from Cocoweave Coaching International. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.